Good morning. It's first thing, so I'm a bit achy, but more than just a bit achy. But while it's a little bit cool and most of the flies aren't too active, I'm going to go up this, which is our second driveway, and just do a bit of a scan, take the chainsaw for a walk. Spoke too soon about the flies, and clear a bit of that timber. Still pretty achy in the lower back. It's just too much physical work. Okay, let's fire up this chainsaw. Chain link came off the chainsaw. I'll have to go put it back on again. Let's go to the gate. Farm gate. So I'm going to try and set that up before I leave, to stop people from bringing vehicles in here and just stealing whatever they want. And on this side there's this big chain. So if I put the chain across, that means nobody can get any trucks through. If I cut the seedlings now, it means I don't have to get trees cut down later. But I don't know how much I can do today because my lower back's so sore and there's a lot of bending down to pick up, busted off branches and this timber. Almost there. But yeah, it's almost impossible to see last time. Anyhow, that'll do for now. Okay, I think that's all I can do right now because my body hasn't warmed up and my lower back's just stuffed. Basically, the whole time I've been here, it's just way too much leaning down and picking things up off the ground, and with the lower back being the way it is, it's just too painful for me. But that's a start, and I have a plan for the gate. And if I put the chain on one driveway and the gate on the other, then that prevents any vehicles coming in and just people collecting what they want. Just takes the convenience out of it. Most thieves are opportunists, so I'm just going to take away the access and the opportunity best I can anyhow. So I'll need probably 3 more padlocks of the unsawable kind, so that's a little bit of cash set aside at least. Yeah, 3 padlocks and maybe a fairly large one for the chains that I need, or 3 fairly large ones for the chains that I need to attach the gate and the chain to the other side
to prevent that vehicle access.